Ready to unlock the world of collaborative coding? Let's create your GitHub account in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Github.com. Right on the homepage, you'll find the Sign Up section. Enter your email address to get started. Next, you'll need to create a strong password. Make sure it meets the criteria, at least 15 characters or 8 characters including a number and a lowercase letter. Now, choose a unique username. This is how you'll be known in the GitHub community. So pick something professional or reflective of your coding style. GitHub will check if it's available. GitHub will ask if you want to receive product updates via email. Choose whether you want to receive these updates or not. Complete the puzzle to prove you're not a robot. This step helps protect GitHub from spam accounts. On the next page, you'll be asked to choose a plan. The free plan is perfect for most users, especially beginners, so select that. Congratulations, your account is created. GitHub will now guide you through some personalization options. You can choose to skip this or complete the questions to help GitHub tailor your experience. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile. Click Edit Profile to add your name, a short bio, and even a profile picture. This helps others learn about you. Finally, boost your account security. Go to Settings, then Password and Authentication. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. That's it. You're now ready to explore, contribute, and collaborate on GitHub. Happy coding! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.